Good day, everyone. I am Hera. Today, I'll present my research on the perception of students in the use of plastic food containers in school canteens at Sagayan National High School. This study focuses on awareness, acceptability, and the overall perception of plastic use in our school community. According to Kazonori Haga 2023, 25% of the 1.7 billion meal containers used in school canteen meals of Japan, 70% of elementary and junior high schools. So, plastic used by approximately 175 tons annually. 50% of global plastic production, 2 million metric tons in 1950 to 370 million metric tons in 2019. According to Plastic Atlas 2021, Asia's plastic production surged, polluting ecosystems globally with rising impacts from extraction to disposal cycles. With 52.31% of government data, waste streams are compostable or biodegradable, while 27.78% consist of recyclable, 17.98% of waste is residual, and 1.93% includes special waste such as healthcare and hazardous materials. In Tugbuk, Davao City, Department of Education addresses plastic food container concern, recognized growing concern over plastic use in school canteen. Highlight environmental issues like increased plastic waste and pollution. To describe the extent of using plastic food containers in terms of single-use plastic ban, awareness, acceptability, perception. To determine the significant relationship between the extent of using the perception of students in the use of plastic food containers in school canteen in Sagayan National High School. In Theoretical Framework, Waste Management Theory Philippines, 2004, a unified body of knowledge on waste and management, aims to prevent harm to human health and environment, promotes resource use optimization. As you observe, I only have independent variables since I don't have my dependent variable questionnaire, so under of my independent variable is single-use plastic ban, awareness, acceptability, perception, and research design. Study on students' perception of plastic food containers in school canteens. Employed quantitative non-experimental survey design. Numerical values assigned to each answer option. Involved participants' recruitment, data collection, and instrumentation analysis. In research location, Region 6, Asuncion, Davao del Norte. Conducted at Sagayan National High School. Focused on plastic food containers in school canteen. Explored students' perceptions and environmental awareness. Random sampling used for data collection. In population and sample, the study involved students from Sagayan National High School in Asuncion, Davao del Norte, selected through purposive sampling. The sample size was determined through this method, and the distribution of respondents from each classroom is presented in the study. Mean measured students' perceptions of plastic food containers used in the school canteen. Next, voluntary perception. Students participated freely, sharing insights without pressure of peer. Next, regression analysis. Identified key factors influencing students' perceptions and practices regarding plastic food containers. In Table 2 highlights students' perceptions of the single-use plastic ban at Sagayan National High School, focusing on 4 indicators. On my overall perception mean score of 3.79 shows positive support for the ban. Single-use plastic ban rated 3.88, indicating strong approval. Awareness score 3.71, reflecting significant understanding of the ban. Acceptability rated 3.68, showing general approval among students. Perception of value highest score of 3.89, demonstrating strong belief in the ban's importance. In summary, number 1, the extent of single-use plastic ban had a grand mean of 3.79 with the descriptive equivalent of high. Number 2 is the lowest mean was observed in acceptability with a value of 3.36, indicating a moderate level of acceptability among the respondents. Number 3, the highest mean was observed in perception with a value of 3.89, which corresponds to high a level of perception regarding the use of plastic containers. In conclusion, number 1, the extent of awareness among students at Sagayen National High School regarding the use of plastic food containers in the school canteen. Number 2, the level of acceptability of plastic food containers among students at Sagayen National High School. Number 3, the perceived outcome of using plastic food containers in the school canteen as viewed by students at Sagayen National High School. Number 4, the overall perception of students regarding the use of plastic food containers in the school canteen at Sagayen National High School. In recommendation, school must support the use of reusable containers by providing information and creating a positive environment for students. Offering small rewards or incentives can make it easier for students to accept and adopt reusable containers in their daily routines. To the Department of Education, they should create recognition programs for schools that show outstanding eco-friendly practices. Schools that reduce plastic use effectively could receive certificates or awards which will motivate other schools to adopt similar actions. Through this, the students will learn the importance of protecting the environment. To the Department of Education on Higher Education and local government unit that they must establish an eco-ambassador program in schools to support national and global environmental goals such as Global Recycling Day. This program will benefit students by giving them the opportunity to lead recycling activities, teach proper waste disposal, and encourage the use of reusable materials in their school communities. To the Department of Health that they must promote the health benefits of reducing plastic use by conducting information campaigns in school. This campaign should help students understand the health risks of using single-use plastic and encourage them to switch to safer alternatives like reusable containers. This will benefit students by protecting their health and promoting better habits. School canteen should encourage students to bring their own reusable containers by offering small rewards or discount. This will motivate students to reduce their use of plastic, and also the canteen could provide affordable reusable containers for students who do not have them. That's all for today's presentation. Once again, I am Chuvi Jane Hera from grade 12 Kilinu.